Any seniors are told that weak legs, poor balance, burning calves, or heavy feet are just a normal part of aging, but that explanation is incomplete and often wrong. In reality, these symptoms are frequently caused by reduced blood flow and poor nerve signaling to the legs, not by aging muscles alone. As blood vessels narrow and stiffen over time, oxygen and nutrients struggle to reach the leg muscles, causing them to weaken, fatigue quickly, and recover slowly. This is why some seniors exercise regularly yet still feel unstable, shaky, or fearful of falling. What most people do not realize is that certain vitamin deficiencies can quietly accelerate this process. These deficiencies reduce nitric oxide, harden arteries, damage nerves, and limit circulation to the legs and feet. The good news is that research shows correcting these deficiencies can help reopen blood vessels, restore oxygen delivery, and improve leg strength, balance, and walking endurance in older adults. In this video, you will learn about 3 scientifically studied vitamins that support healthy blood vessels and leg strength in seniors. These vitamins do not act like stimulants or painkillers. Instead, they work at the cellular level to improve circulation, nerve communication, and muscle function. Many seniors report warmer feet, stronger legs, fewer cramps, and greater confidence while walking after addressing these deficiencies. Let's begin with the first vitamin and how it helps restore blood flow to aging legs. Number 3. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 supports healthy blood flow by preventing calcium from hardening the arteries that supply the legs. Without enough K2, calcium accumulates in blood vessel walls, making them rigid and narrow, which restricts circulation and reduces endurance during walking. Vitamin K2 activates a protein called matrix Glar protein, which removes calcium from arteries and directs it into the bones where it belongs. Large population studies, including the Rotterdam study published in Atherosclerosis, show that higher vitamin K2 intake is linked to significantly lower arterial calcification and better vascular flexibility. Improved arterial health allows more oxygen-rich blood to reach the leg muscles, reducing pain, weakness, and walking fatigue in seniors. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C directly improves blood vessel function by increasing nitric oxide availability, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and open. As people age, nitric oxide production declines, leading to reduced circulation, cold legs, and faster muscle fatigue. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide from damage and helps restore proper blood flow to the legs and feet. Clinical studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Circulation demonstrate that vitamin C supplementation improves endothelial function and increases blood flow within weeks. Better circulation means leg muscles receive more oxygen during movement, improving walking endurance and reducing leg heaviness and cramping. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is one of the most well-researched vitamins for improving blood circulation. It works by directly widening blood vessels, allowing more blood to reach the legs and feet. This effect explains the temporary warmth or flushing some people feel after taking niacin, which is simply increased blood flow. Clinical studies published in the Journal of Vascular Surgery and the American Heart Journal show that niacin improves walking distance and blood flow in individuals with poor leg circulation. By improving endothelial function and reducing vascular stiffness, niacin helps seniors regain leg strength, endurance, and confidence while walking. In many seniors, weak or painful legs are not caused by aging alone but by reduced circulation and impaired nerve signaling. When these vitamin deficiencies are corrected, blood vessels reopen, oxygen delivery improves, nerves communicate properly, and muscles regain strength. This is why improving circulation often leads to stronger legs even before starting exercise. Subscribe for senior-approved strategies that improve circulation, leg strength, and help you stay independent as you get older.